Hi, I'm Ian Gilmore with Redline Engineering and RedlineStands.com, here to show you Redline's new Deluxe sandblasting cabinet. This sandblasting cabinet is a little bit more high-tech than the rest of our sandblasting cabinets, and I'm going to run through some of the features of this cabinet. The first of which I'm going to show you here is the air filtration system on the back. First thing that you'll notice here is that you have a piece that you can tap that will actually jar the filter on the inside so that the dust will fall off the filter, and at that time you just pull this little latch, put your bucket underneath, and empty the dust right out of the bottom of the canister. There's a latch like this on both sides, and you'll notice here you have a nice big paper filter, replaceable paper element, and we'll show this working in just a moment. Also on the back of the blast cabinet, you'll notice you have a quick connect air coupling here where you hook in your air line to supply air pressure to it. And as I come around to the front of the cabinet, let's talk about some of the other features of this cabinet. This particular cabinet has got the air pressure regulator built right up into the top with an air pressure gauge mounted into the overhead console, which is really nice. Over here, you've got switches for on, off, light, and then also for the dust collector. And so if I were to turn on the blast cabinet and turn on the dust collector, naturally it would start running the vacuum system. Also, this switch here turns the light on inside. And this cabinet, again, being a little bit more high-tech than our other cabinets, also has indicators that if you were to open the doors here, you would notice all of a sudden your light would go off. Now, let me show you a few more of the features about this cabinet. Down here in the bottom, you'll notice that you have another one of these latches where you can empty the sand right out of the bottom of the cabinet. Very handy. And if we'll look inside the cabinet, I'll open up both of the doors at each ends, and you'll notice that this cabinet here, it's got nice, thick, replaceable rubber gloves. Comes with some extra lenses here, shields for the viewing window and also for the light bar. Now this blast cabinet is a little different from the others in that you get a pistol grip blaster, plus you also get a fixed overhead blaster so that you can hold your part with both hands and just kind of twirl it underneath it, if you will. And the way that you operate the sand flow on this cabinet, down here at the bottom, you have a foot switch. And as you notice, as I were to push this foot switch, my indicator lights, let's do this here, let's close our doors. And as I push this, you'll notice that your indicator light will switch back and forth from the overhead fixed feed to the manual pistol style feed. And so you've actually got two different means by which you can supply your media in this cabinet. And of course, this just sits on the floor and you control it with your foot. So you can see more of this blast cabinet at our website, RedlineStands.com. Thank you for watching.